Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today our flyover is at Lake Corpus Christi as the Nueces River brings much needed relief to this lake. After 5 long years of persistent drought, the water is finally returning to Lake Corpus Christi. For nearly half a decade, this reservoir, a critical water supply for the coastal Bend area, has been starved of inflow. Levels dropped to historic lows earlier this year, falling below 10% of capacity in the spring, the lowest seen in decades. What you're looking at now is a lake that has just been fighting to hold on. But the story is changing. Heavy rains upstream have swollen the Nueces River. That floodwater is now moving downstream and beginning to pour into Lake Corpus Christi. After years of nearly empty channels and dry riverbeds, the Nueces is delivering the relief that this lake desperately needed. As of late July, the lake sits at roughly 32% full, a significant recovery from the extreme lows of April, yet still far from full. Officials say the arriving floodwaters could push levels dramatically higher in the weeks ahead, with the possibility of the reservoir approaching capacity later in August if the inflow continues. For a region that has lived under strict drought restrictions, this is the first sign of recovery in years. Throughout the drought, the vegetation has been growing on the dried lake bed. This is going to provide cover and a rebirth of the lake for bass fishing, catfishing, crappie fishing, and the water quality will be good after this flood comes through and the mud filters out. The lake is going to look all new. Mother Nature has its way of rebuilding, and this is just the first start. The drought isn't over, but for the first time in a long time, the water is coming home. What are your thoughts? Do you think the lake's going to reach full capacity with this one flooding event? My optimistic view is yes, I hope it will fill. Thanks for flying along on this Lake Corpus Christi flyover. If you liked it, give us a like. If you'd like to see more like this, subscribe. And until next time, good fishing.